Before you write, define your brand identity in the brand center. 1. The first and most vital step. Let the AI get to know you. Simply enter your URL, and the AI will crawl your site to handle the heavy lifting. From your brand story and key features to your target audience, mission, and value proposition, when your brand colors, the AI maps it all out for you instantly. You have full control to edit or regenerate the profile at any time. Once confirmed, every article the AI generates will carry your unique brand DNA. Next, define your audience. In the ideal customer profile section, simply describe your target audience, and the AI assistant will build a strategic persona in seconds. It goes beyond basic descriptions to deconstruct your audience's core objectives. The AI identifies pain points and purchase triggers, weaving them directly into your content's logic. By anticipating buyer friction, it builds trust early to eliminate conversion barriers. Combined with style preferences, the AI fine-tunes the tone, ensuring every post is a precision tool engineered for conversion. Finally, the knowledge base, giving AI your brand's professional soul. No manual entry, just upload files or paste links, and the AI masters your proprietary data in seconds. T extracts product specs and case studies to ensure every word is backed by facts, eliminating AI hallucinations. With this, the AI isn't just a tool, it's a specialized expert that truly knows your business. Start writing with AI by enabling brand promotion and selecting your ICP, ensuring every word speaks directly to your ideal audience. Link your private knowledge base in the settings, then toggle on key takeaways and video embedding to build a rich, multi-dimensional content experience. Visuals should be on brand too. Select from various image styles to match your brand's unique aesthetic, with full control over language and advanced settings. Now, simply enter your spark of inspiration. We'll take it from here. In QuickCreator, writing isn't just about putting words on a page. It's about defining your direction, evidence, and brand before you ever start. Step 1. Alignment through 3 critical questions. What is the user's true search intent? Who is your ideal customer profile ICP? What business outcome should this content drive? We align on the goals before we pick up the pen. Step 2. Multi-round deep research. We do more than just collect links. We analyze what each piece of material is saying and how they interconnect, providing you with reusable insights rather than just raw data. Step 3. Multi-round deep think. We build an evidence chain for every single point. Where does the conclusion come from? What is the supporting evidence? Are there conflicting views? This ensures your content is credible, citable, and free from AI hallucinations. Final step. Early stage knowledge base integration. Your brand, products, case studies, and proprietary data are injected directly into the decision-making process. This ensures your content naturally carries a unique edge and a clear path to conversion. With the help of our SEO assistant, everything from title optimization and structural suggestions to meta descriptions is perfectly polished. This is agentic content creation. Align on goals, then research, then reason, and only then write. It makes every piece of content more accurate, more authentic, and more you. After generating your article, you enter the polishing and optimization stage. With the assistant, you can ask for optimization suggestions at any time. It analyzes your content, asks detailed questions, and inserts improvements with a single click. You can also select specific paragraphs to instantly generate the perfect visual focal points, conversion elements, or images. This transforms every section from a mere display of information into a customized, immersive customer acquisition engine. In short, during the editing phase, everything from optimizing headlines and adding conversion widgets to generating AI images or embedding videos is seamlessly at your fingertips. This isn't just writing, it's precision crafting guided by instant feedback. It's how you turn every insight into measurable business growth. The final step, transforming your insights into impact. Within the publish to panel, you have total flexibility over your distribution channels. Whether you choose to launch a blog hosted by QuickCreator or connect your own custom brand domain, switching is seamless and takes only seconds. Before going live, perform a final calibration on every critical detail, from assigning authors and scheduling post dates to fine-tuning SEO slugs and crafting click-worthy meta descriptions. Once everything is set, simply hit publish. Your in-depth content goes live instantly, ready to capture search traffic. This is professional content creation simplified.